Stop puppy biting. Puppies are bundles of energy and love, full of curiosity and playfulness, and with that often comes a whole lot of biting. This can be both adorable and frustrating. It's completely natural for puppies to explore the world with their mouths, especially when they are teething. But it's our responsibility as their pack leaders to teach them what's acceptable and what's not. This helps them grow into well-behaved adult dogs. If we don't address puppy biting early on, it can turn into a serious behavioral issue down the line. Early intervention is key. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 effective methods to stop puppy biting in minutes, redirecting their attention and using positive reinforcement. These methods are simple, yet powerful. These techniques are all about understanding your puppy's instincts and natural behaviors, and using that knowledge to guide them towards more appropriate behavior. This makes training more effective and enjoyable for both you and your puppy. Remember, training takes time, consistency, and above all, a calm and assertive energy. Let's get started and make this journey a positive experience for you and your furry friend. Redirecting your puppy's attention is like speaking their language. It's a way to communicate with them in a manner they understand and respond to. When a puppy bites, they're often trying to communicate something. They might be teething, feeling playful, or simply craving your attention. It's their way of exploring the world and interacting with you. Instead of punishing them for this natural behavior, we're going to redirect their energy towards something more appropriate. This not only helps in managing their behavior, but also strengthens your bond with them. Imagine this. You're sitting on the floor, playing with your adorable little fur ball. Suddenly, those sharp puppy teeth latch onto your hand. Ouch! It can be quite painful and surprising. Your instinct might be to pull away or yell, "No!" But trust me, there's a better way. Reacting negatively can sometimes make the situation worse, as it might excite or confuse your puppy even more. The key is to immediately redirect their attention to a toy or a chew. This helps them understand what is acceptable to bite and what isn't. The moment those teeth graze your skin, calmly but firmly disengage and offer them a more enticing alternative. This teaches them that biting you is not rewarding, but biting a toy is. Show them their favorite chew toy, squeak it enthusiastically, and make it irresistible. The more appealing the toy, the more likely they are to choose it over your hand. Now, here's where your energy comes into play. You need to be more interesting than the thing they're biting. Your enthusiasm and energy can make a huge difference in capturing their attention. Puppies are drawn to energy, so if you're excited about the toy, they will be too. Your excitement can turn a simple toy into the most fascinating object in the room. Think of it like this. You're offering them a trade. You can bite this boring old hand, you're saying, or you can have this super fun squeaky toy. It's a win-win situation for both of you. 9 times out of 10, the puppy will choose the toy. This is because the toy offers them the same satisfaction of biting without the negative consequences. Why does this work? Because you're not punishing them for a natural behavior. Instead, you're guiding them towards a more appropriate outlet for their energy and instincts. You're simply communicating that there are better things to bite than your hands or furniture. This positive approach helps in building trust and understanding between you and your puppy. Consistency is key with this method. Every time your puppy starts to bite, immediately redirect their attention to a toy. This repetition helps them learn and remember the correct behavior. Be patient. It might take a few tries, but eventually, they'll learn that biting you leads to a toy party, and biting a toy leads to, well, more fun with the toy. Patience and persistence are essential in training. Remember, you're the pack leader. You decide what's acceptable and what's not. Your puppy looks to you for guidance and boundaries. By redirecting their attention, you're setting clear boundaries and teaching your puppy how to channel their energy in a positive way. This helps in creating a harmonious living environment. This method is all about understanding and communication. It's about knowing why your puppy is biting and addressing it in a way that makes sense to them. You're not punishing, you're guiding. You're showing them the right way to express their natural behaviors. You're not reacting, you're redirecting. This proactive approach helps in preventing unwanted behaviors before they become a habit. And trust me, your puppy will thank you for it in the long run. A well-trained puppy is a happy puppy, and a happy puppy makes for a happy owner. As you continue to redirect their biting, you'll notice your puppy starting to understand. They'll begin to see the pattern and respond accordingly. They'll start to associate biting with getting a toy, and that's exactly what we want. This positive association reinforces the desired behavior. But what if redirecting alone isn't enough? Sometimes puppies can be particularly stubborn or persistent. What if your puppy is particularly persistent? In such cases, additional strategies might be needed to reinforce the training. That's where our second method comes in: positive reinforcement. This involves rewarding your puppy for good behavior, making them more likely to repeat it. Positive reinforcement is all about rewarding your puppy for making good choices. It's a method that focuses on encouraging desirable behaviors by offering rewards rather than punishing unwanted behaviors. It's about showing them that being gentle and well-behaved leads to positive outcomes. This approach helps in building a trusting relationship between you and your puppy. Here's how it works. When your puppy is calmly sitting or lying down, not biting, approach them with a treat in your hand. This is the perfect moment to reinforce their good behavior. As you get closer, give a command like gentle or easy. These commands help your puppy understand what behavior is expected of them. If they remain calm and don't try to bite, reward them with the treat and praise. This immediate reward helps them make the connection between their calm behavior and the positive outcome. Use a happy, encouraging tone of voice to let them know they've done a good job. Your tone of voice is crucial as it conveys your approval and happiness. Repeat this exercise several times a day, always rewarding them for remaining calm and bite-free. Consistency is key in helping your puppy learn and retain these behaviors. The key is to be consistent and to reward them immediately after they exhibit the desired behavior. Timing is crucial here. The quicker the reward follows the behavior, the stronger the association will be. You want your puppy to associate the reward with the good behavior. This association is what drives them to repeat the behavior in the future. If you wait too long, they might think they're being rewarded for something else entirely. This can confuse them and make training less effective. As your puppy starts to understand the connection between good behavior and rewards, you can gradually increase the difficulty. This helps in keeping the training challenging and engaging for your puppy. For example, you can try petting them gently while giving the command gentle. This adds a new layer to the training, helping them learn to stay calm even when being touched. If they remain calm and don't bite, reward them with a treat and praise. This reinforces their ability to stay calm under different circumstances. If they do try to bite, calmly withdraw your hand and try again later. It's important to remain calm and not react negatively. The key is to be patient and to never punish your puppy for biting. Punishment can create fear and anxiety, which are counterproductive to training. Punishment will only make them fearful and anxious, which can actually lead to more biting. Instead, focus on creating a positive and safe learning environment. Instead, focus on rewarding the behavior you want to see. This positive approach encourages your puppy to repeat the good behavior. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward is progress and should be acknowledged. Remember, training a puppy takes time and consistency. It's a gradual process that requires patience and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Every puppy learns at their own pace, and persistence is key. Just keep practicing, stay patient, and remember to always be calm and assertive. Your calm demeanor will help your puppy feel secure and more willing to learn. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool that can help you build a strong bond with your puppy based on trust and respect. This bond is essential for effective training and a happy relationship. By rewarding good behavior, you're not only teaching them what's acceptable, but you're also strengthening your relationship and creating a positive learning environment. This positive environment makes learning enjoyable for your puppy. As you continue to use positive reinforcement, you'll notice your puppy becoming more and more responsive to your commands. This responsiveness is a sign that your training is effective. They'll start to understand that being gentle and well-behaved leads to positive attention and rewards. This understanding is crucial for their development and behavior. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Creating a positive learning environment where your puppy feels safe and encouraged to learn. We want our puppies to be happy, well-adjusted members of the pack. Proper training helps them integrate smoothly into your family and social settings. By using positive reinforcement, we can help them get there while building a strong and loving bond that will last a lifetime. This bond is the foundation of a happy and well-behaved dog. Remember, every puppy is different and will learn at their own pace. Some may pick up commands quickly, while others may take a bit longer. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of training your new best friend. This journey is a rewarding experience that strengthens your bond and creates lasting memories. And there you have it. 2 simple yet effective methods to stop puppy biting. Remember, redirecting their attention to toys and using positive reinforcement are all about understanding your puppy's natural instincts and guiding them towards more desirable behavior. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, be the calm and assertive pack leader your puppy needs you to be. With a little time and effort, you'll be well on your way to having a happy, well-adjusted dog. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your fellow puppy parents, and subscribe to the Bark channel for more tips on raising a well-behaved and balanced dog. Until next time, happy training.